Hello friends, I'm John Laspina, the carnivore teacher, and I want you to think about what you eat, but not only the food you put into your body, but I also want you to think about what you see, what you watch, what you view, what you listen to, what you hear, and even what you smell, all your senses, what you touch. What's going into your receptors? And what can you control? I know that I can control what I put into my body. I can choose to put in the best nutrition: beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs. I can control that. I don't have the inability to stop things. I can control what goes in my body. Now, visually, I can choose to watch a lot of violent movies, a lot of scary movies. I can watch a lot of pornography if I want to go there. There's a lot of stuff I can visually put into my receptors through my eyes that is negative, that is detrimental, that can hurt my psyche and my emotions. I also can choose what I see. And if I start seeing something that's out of my control, I have the freedom and ability to walk away, to go the other way, to close my eyes, to change the scenery, to not put harmful images in my eyes. Same thing with sounds. I listen to, now this is based on taste, obviously, but I love music. And I love music that is uplifting, that motivates me, that gives me chills and makes me, it's about love and it's about optimism and happiness. And if there's no words, it's chords that just give me chills. I love music. So some people, believe me, I know this. I used to teach middle school, and there's also a lot of adults out there who do this. They will listen to music with evil, horrible lyrics that are bad, that are about hurting people and shooting people and calling women terrible names and on and on. And the chords, or if there's any music at all to some of these, they're ugly sounding. And if you're constantly listening to that, that affects your psyche. It affects how you feel. Why do that to yourself? You can control what you listen to. If you can't, you put in noise canceling earbuds, you put in earplugs. You can control what you see, what you hear, and what you eat. So I pass this nugget idea on to you, and I hope that you will consider that, to always put the best stuff in your life, in your body, through all of your senses, and you will be well. Take care.